Hey guys, I was playing with my fidgets and now I need to put them back. I have never put my fidgets back without you guys. But let's go now and put my fidgets. So let's start with the smallest things. An acupressure ring I was playing with. This spiky ball. Let's also do these. This. As this is also small, so I'm going to take this too. Woo! Okay, so this is the best chair ever. It moves. Okay, I'm just going to put that right there. Now let's open this thing. Put my monkey noodles in. This in. Oh no, did I lose my spiky ball again? Oh, there it is. I keep losing my spiky balls for a reason. Let's put these right there. I'm gonna make sure to keep that right there. Whew, for a second. Nails for perfume on you. Make me wanna act like a girl. Spend my nails for perfume like you. For you. Okay, now, last but not least, the puppets. Ouch! 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 My favorite. I keep getting hurt on my leg. Okay. You can just stare to Yoda's eye. Okay. Let's put that there. Let's put that there. Let's put that there. Let's put that there. Ouch! Ouch, 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 ouch. Okay, we're done. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, sisters. Okay, bye.